Visiting a private school campus and taking a tour can provide valuable insights into the school's environment, culture, and offerings. To schedule a campus visit or private school tour, start by visiting the school's website or contacting the admissions office directly. Many schools have a dedicated section on their site with information on how to arrange a visit or attend an open house. Open houses usually take place during the fall and sometimes in the spring, offering an opportunity for families to tour the campus, meet faculty and staff, and learn more about the curriculum and extracurricular activities. If the open house dates don't work for your schedule, you may be able to arrange a private tour or shadow day for your child, where they can spend a day on campus attending classes and interacting with students. When scheduling a visit, be sure to ask about any specific protocols or requirements, such as pre-registration or safety guidelines, to ensure a smooth experience. Campus visits are an excellent opportunity to ask questions, observe the school's facilities and resources, and get a feel for whether the school aligns with your family's values and your child's needs. For a more detailed and thorough exploration of this topic, be sure to click the link in the description below. Thank you for watching our video.